A trusted brand name doesn't automatically mean every accessory deserves your money. That's exactly why Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases and accessories, worth it, deserves a closer look, especially when protection, bulk, and everyday usability can vary dramatically. One option may surprise you most, so stay until the end, then explore the featured Spigen picks through the links in the description. The number 9 product on our list is Spigen Tough Armor Pro MagFit case. Dropping an ultra-expensive foldable phone directly on its exposed mechanical spine often causes catastrophic screen blackouts that standard slim cases fail to prevent. You might assume all protective covers shield critical components equally, yet basic shells leave vulnerable moving gears entirely exposed during awkward angle impacts. The Spigen Tough Armor Pro MagFit case solves this critical structural hazard by pairing a full-coverage moving hinge shield with internal extreme impact foam. A crucial technical insight is how its air cushion technology traps air pockets in corner zones to dissipate kinetic energy before shock reaches delicate internal display ribbon cables. Compared to standard basic clear cases that offer minimal impact damping, this rugged dual-layer design delivers certified military drop defense while integrating built-in MagFit magnetic alignment for effortless desk charging. You do accept a noticeable trade-off, as the fortified corner armor and reinforced hinge mechanism add substantial thickness to your pocket profile. Still, securing maximum structural defense for your high-ticket hardware makes this an exceptional investment, though an even higher-ranked alternative reveals an intriguing balance of protection and sleek portability. At number 8 is Spigen Essential Car Charger. Watching your phone battery drain during GPS navigation because a cheap car adapter cannot supply sufficient wattage is a frustrating daily reality. You might assume any cigarette lighter plug provides reliable power, yet low-grade adapters trigger severe voltage drops that slow charging to a crawl. The Spigen Essential Car Charger solves on-the-go power depletion by supplying up to 60 watts total output across a built-in retractable USB-C cable, a secondary USB-C port, and a USB-A connection. An overlooked technical advantage is its Quantum Boost auto-detection system, which intelligently balances current across 15 safety checkpoints to prevent thermal throttling. Compared to standard dual-port plugs that force you to bring loose cords, its 72-centimeter spring-loaded cable pulls out cleanly to charge backseat devices without cluttering your gear shifter. You do accept a practical trade-off, as the extra housing required for the spring coil mechanism protrudes farther from your socket. Still, powering 3 power-hungry devices seamlessly makes commute charging effortless, though our number 7 ranked selection unveils an even more impressive accessory designed for ultimate screen protection. At number 7 is Spigen Screen Protector. Misaligning tempered glass or trapping unsightly dust bubbles during installation is an annoying mistake that ruins your phone's display. You might think steady hands guarantee flawless placement, but manual alignment frequently causes crooked edges that catch on case borders and peel up over time. The Spigen Screen Protector eliminates application anxiety through its custom easy-fit auto-alignment tray that places high aluminosilicate glass perfectly on the first try. A key technical insight is how ion exchange strengthening yields 10H surface hardness, providing far superior scratch resistance against pocket keys compared to standard plastic films. Unlike cheap generic glass that creates touch lag or rainbow distortion, this ultra-thin cover maintains complete light transmittance and fluid sensor responsiveness. You do accept a minor trade-off, as the protective glass creates a slight raised lip on bare devices, though precision case-friendly dimensions ensure flawless integration once paired with external armor. Elevating screen defense with zero application guesswork delivers exceptional peace of mind, though our number 6 ranked spot introduces an ultra-versatile accessory designed for maximum functional freedom. At number 6 is Spigen Thunderbolt 4 cable. Waiting endlessly for massive video files to transfer off your phone can derail a tight workflow when basic charging cords choke data. Speeds. You might assume all USB-C cables perform identically, but basic power cords throttle data throughput to sluggish USB 2.0 speeds. The Spigen Thunderbolt 4 cable solves data bottlenecking by driving extreme 40 gigabit per second transfers, moving massive 5 GB files in a single second while outputting 100-watt power delivery. A hidden technical advantage is its USB-IF certification, ensuring stable power negotiation that supports super-fast charging 2.0 alongside single 8K video output. Compared to standard charging cords that only supply power, this high-bandwidth wire turns your device into a portable desktop workstation when plugged into external displays or docks. You do face a minor trade-off, as its dense internal shielding makes the cord slightly stiffer and shorter than casual couch cords. Still, unleashing desktop-class data transfer speeds elevates pro productivity, though our number 5 ranked selection brings an even more impressive hands-free mounting setup. At number 5 is Spigen GAN USB-C charger. Carrying oversized power bricks that block adjacent outlet plugs makes traveling with multiple devices an absolute nightmare. You might think high wattage requires a heavy, bulky block, but legacy silicon chips dissipate excessive energy as waste heat. The Spigen GAN USB-C charger eliminates outlet crowding by utilizing gallium nitride technology to shrink the internal footprint 53% compared to standard laptop plugs. An insightful secret behind GAN semiconductors is their higher electrical efficiency, allowing cooler operating temperatures that protect delicate smartphone battery health during rapid charging sessions. Unlike standard single-port chargers that force you to carry multiple wall bricks, its dual USB-C outputs dynamically deliver 65 watts, charging a laptop and foldable phone simultaneously. You do accept a minor trade-off, as maximum power output splits between ports when dual charging, slightly extending single-device top-up times. Still, condensing high-speed multi-device charging into a pocketable footprint offers huge daily value. Though our number 4 ranked selection introduces an even more impressive hands-free protective setup. At number 4 is Spigen MagSafe wallet. Fumbling through pockets while trying to extract essential credit cards during busy checkout lines is an annoying hassle that ruins daily convenience. You might assume magnetic card holders slip off continuously, yet poor magnetic alignment causes cheap pouches to detach when sliding into fitted jeans. The Spigen MagSafe wallet solves pocket clutter by utilizing integrated MagFit Plus magnets that secure up to 3 cards directly to your magnetic phone case. A hidden design benefit is its bottom thumb access port, letting you slide cards out instantly without awkwardly unfastening the entire accessory. Unlike basic stick-on card slots that ruin phone cases with sticky tape, this premium vegan leather pouch detaches cleanly when you need wireless charging. You do face a minor trade-off, as the powerful magnets can temporarily interfere with digitizer stylus input while attached. Still, consolidating your daily carry into a sleek magnetic profile elevates real-world convenience, though our number 3 ranked candidate unveils an even more impressive hands-free protective setup. The third one on our list is Spigen AirSkin MagFit case. Holding a massive foldable device often feels like gripping a slippery piece of soap that threatens to slide out of your hand during quick one-handed use. You might think adding grip requires thick rubber bumpers, yet bulky frames ruin native ergonomics and snag on pocket fabrics. The Spigen AirSkin MagFit case solves daily handling anxiety by wrapping your phone in a featherlight 1.2mm polycarbonate shell that retains slim factory contours. A valuable technical insight is its specialized surface coating, which enhances tactile traction and scratch resistance while preventing yellow discoloration over time. Compared to heavy armored covers that add severe weight, this crystal-clear design preserves original aesthetic elegance while integrating strong MagFit magnetic alignment for rapid wireless power. You do accept a minor trade-off, as the ultra-thin profile prioritizes scratch defense over heavy impact absorption during severe drops on concrete. Still, preserving pristine design while eliminating bulk provides incredible daily satisfaction, though our runner-up selection brings an even more versatile kickstand setup. On number 2 is Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit case. Choosing a protective cover that shows off your premium phone finish while safeguarding fragile folding joints usually forces a miserable compromise between clarity and safety. You might expect transparent cases to turn yellow rapidly or leave mechanical hinges totally defenseless, yet flimsy single-piece designs quickly loosen at key stress points. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit case solves this structural vulnerability through innovative Seculink heat-treated steel pins that interlock the front and rear frame sections permanently. A critical engineering advantage lies in its N55SH magnet array, providing up to 60% stronger magnetic grip and higher heat resistance than standard N35 mounts. Compared to basic clear shells that offer zero spine defense, this advanced hybrid case features a magnetic TPU hinge cover alongside air-cushioned corners for total drop absorption. You do accept a minor trade-off, as the fortified steel pin linkage and magnetic spine mechanism create slightly more side clearance. Still, uniting crystal clarity with incredible mechanical resilience earns this runner-up spot, paving the way for our ultimate #1 overall recommendation. Now, moving to the last one is Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit case. Balancing total hinge protection with hands-free viewing often creates a frustrating dilemma where bulky covers block desktop utility or flop around loosely. You might think adding a kickstand requires sacrificing mechanical spine defense, yet standard kickstand cases fail to support multi-angle folding displays securely. The Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit case solves complete hands-free daily protection by integrating a 360-degree rotating kickstand forged from aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum directly over its patented auto-sliding hinge mechanism. A key technical insight is how SUS420F heat-treated steel pins lock the front and back frames together via Seculink architecture, preventing loosening after thousands of folds. Unlike standard kickstand cases that wobble in portrait orientation, this heavy-duty setup maintains rigid stability at any viewing angle while housing built-in N52 magnets for effortless magnetic mounting. You do accept a minor trade-off, as the integrated metal ring mechanism adds slight weight near the central balance point. Still, combining uncompromising mechanical defense with infinite display orientation provides complete peace of mind, crowning this as the ultimate top spot selection for your setup. So guys, this was the video about the Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases and accessories. Worth it? All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.